Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw milestones from teamwork.com with client visibility controls, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw milestones from teamwork.com with client visibility controls, start by logging into your Teamwork account. Navigate to the Projects section from the main dashboard. Select the project that contains the milestones you wish to withdraw. In the project view, click on the Milestones tab located in the left sidebar. Review the list of milestones displayed on this page. Identify the milestone you want to withdraw and click on it to open its details. In the Milestone Detail view, check the current status of the milestone. If the milestone is marked as completed, you are ready to proceed. Locate the Actions drop-down menu within the Milestone Details. Click on the Actions drop-down to reveal additional options. Select Withdraw from the list of available actions. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to withdraw this milestone. Review the information in the prompt to ensure it's the correct milestone. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal by clicking Yes or Withdraw. After withdrawing, proceed to set client visibility controls for this milestone. Navigate back to the Milestones tab in your project. Click on the Settings icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the Milestones section. In the Settings menu, you'll find the option for Client Visibility Controls. Select the clients you want to grant visibility to for this milestone. Save your changes to ensure that the visibility settings are applied. Finally, review the milestone list again to confirm that the withdrawn milestone reflects the new visibility settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.